I wake up on the day of the race feeling nervous and anxious. I have always been a hare, known for my speed and agility. But today, I am going up against a tortoise, a creature that is not known for its speed or athleticism. As I get ready for the race, I can't help but feel a sense of excitement. This is my chance to show everyone what I am capable of. And with a little bit of luck, I should be able to easily beat this tortoise and come out on top. But as the race begins and I take off at breakneck speed, I realize that something is off. I am running as fast as I can, but the tortoise is keeping up with me. And as the race goes on, I start to feel myself slowing down. I can't understand why this is happening. I have always been the fastest creature in the forest. But now, I am struggling to keep up with a tortoise. As I cross the finish line, panting and exhausted, I can't believe what has just happened. The tortoise has beat me, something that I never could have imagined. Feeling embarrassed and defeated, I slink off into the forest, trying to figure out what went wrong. And it is then that I realize that I have been neglecting my training and taking my speed for granted. As the days go by, I start to become more and more reckless and careless. I am no longer committed to anything, not my job, not my relationships, not even my own well-being. I start spending my days lounging around, not caring about my responsibilities or the consequences of my actions. And as the weeks go by, I start to feel more and more disconnected and unfulfilled. One day, while wandering through the forest, I meet a beautiful vixen named Selena. Selena is everything that I have ever wanted in a partner. She is smart, seductive, and daring. And as we start a relationship, I can't help but feel a sense of excitement and adventure. But as the months go by, I realize that Selena is not the right partner for me. She is impulsive and reckless, and often leads me into situations that are dangerous and irresponsible. Despite my reservations, I continue to follow Selena, caught up in the thrill of the moment. And as a result, I start to make some foolish and reckless decisions, both personally and professionally. I start skipping work and making poor choices on the job, not caring about the consequences. And when financial opportunities come my way, I am too impulsive to think about the long-term consequences, choosing instead to make foolish purchases that leave me broke and in debt. As the years go on, I continue to spiral out of control, not caring about anyone or anything except for my own pleasure. And it is only when I hit rock bottom that I realize the true cost of my recklessness and lack of commitment. I am alone, broke, and miserable, a shadow of the hare that I once was. And as I sit in the forest, feeling sorry for myself, I realize that I need to make a change. It is not easy, but with hard work and determination, I am able to turn my life around. I start to make better choices and focus on my responsibilities and commitments. And as the years go on, I am able to rebuild my life and my reputation. It is a long and difficult journey, but I know that it is worth it. Because in the end, the only way to truly succeed and be happy is to learn from my mistakes and be responsible for my actions. As I look back on my past, I can't help but feel a sense of regret for the mistakes that I made. I wish that I had been more thoughtful and committed, and that I had made better choices for myself and for those around me. But even though I can't change the past, I can choose to be a better person going forward. And as I continue on my journey, I know that I will always remember the lessons that I have learned and strive to be the best version of myself. As I continue to work on myself and make better choices, I also make an effort to repair the relationships that I had damaged in the past. I apologize to those that I had hurt and make amends for my actions. It is not an easy process, and there are some people who are unable or unwilling to forgive me. But for those who are willing to give me a second chance, I am grateful and do my best to be a better friend, partner, and member of my community. I also make a conscious effort to be more thoughtful and responsible in my career. I start to work harder and put in the effort to excel in my job, and as a result, I am able to advance and take on more responsibilities. I also start to be more cautious with my finances and make an effort to save and invest wisely. I realize that financial stability is important not only for myself, but also for those around me, and I do my best to make smart and responsible choices. As the years go on, I am able to rebuild my life and my reputation. I have a fulfilling career, strong and supportive relationships, and a sense of financial stability. But most importantly, I have learned to be more thoughtful and responsible in my actions. I know that I can't change the past, but I can choose to be a better person going forward. And as I continue on my journey, I am grateful for the second chance that I have been given and determined to make the most of it. As I continue to grow and learn, I also make an effort to give back to my community. I know that I have been given a second chance and I want to use my experiences to help others. I start volunteering at a local animal shelter, helping to care for and find homes for abandoned and neglected animals. It is a rewarding and fulfilling experience, and I am grateful to be able to make a difference in the lives of these animals. I also start to mentor young hares and rabbits, sharing my experiences and lessons with them in the hopes that they can avoid making the same mistakes that I did. It is a rewarding and fulfilling experience, and I am grateful to be able to make a positive impact on the next generation. As the years go on, I continue to grow and learn, always striving to be the best version of myself. And even though I have made mistakes in the past, I know that it is never too late to turn things around and make a positive difference in the world.